Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up HDMI to RCA adapter. It's actually really simple. Here's what you need. You're going to need this little adapter. I bought this off of Amazon for a good couple bucks, maybe under $5. It's really good. It's HDMI in to RCA out. It works decently well. You know, you have to test it before you can actually do it. So, and then, oh yeah, here it is. You're going to need a cable with this on both ends, and then you're gonna need a power cable to it so it can actually convert. Like the one I bought has an adapter like this, which is it's a really good cable. It's from to USB, and it's okay though. It shouldn't be able to break. So here's how to set it up. So what I did was I grabbed this little USB piece. Wall tap, and then I plugged it up to a socket. Plugged that to a socket, and then I plugged the USB into the socket. I don't know if you can see this or not. Oh yeah, you can. Plug the USB up to the socket. Well, you can plug it up to whatever has enough volts for it. And then the second thing you would need to do is plug this end. Oh yeah, you can see my monitor right there. And then, good darn it. Need something to hold this. Then you plug that in into, crap, darn it. Sorry, I'm trying to find. Plug this into there. Then now it's receiving power. And then the second thing you do, you grab your HDMI. Like, this is hooked up to my PS4 right there. So you grab whatever HDMI you're using. Then plug that in. And then you plug that in right there. And then that's plugged in right there. You can grab, I'm going to move the camera right here. Then you can grab this cable that has both ends of this, like this. Then you can plug that end into there. Oops. Make sure you line it up to colors though, or else it won't work. Sorry, I'm having issues with camera. Put it right there. Put that one in there. Plug that one in there. Oh, sorry. Then once you got it like that, you can now plug it into your RCA TV. This is a TV I got from a garage sale for just $1. As you can see, it uses this type of cable. So, this right here. Then plug this one into there. Oop, nice. Plug that into there. Plug this one. And plug the red into the red, the orange into the orange. Then you plug the white lead into the white socket. Then, when that's all plugged in, you can turn on your TV. As you can see, it's turning on. Look at that. It looks really good. Right now, it's still turning on. And, as you see, I can move this, like that. And it works really well. And make sure your TV is plugged in to the right one. Like, I can switch to a different channel. I can switch to TV or AV. Like that. And it totally works. I can play games or watch TV like this. Make sure your screen fits it though. So that's how you plug. That's how you use one of these and have it up to this. From an HDMI PlayStation to this adapter to the RCA that leads up to the TV. So, thanks guys for watching. Please be careful and always have a great day. Bye. Oh.